Why is the most undeniable fact of your existence also the one that completely defies explanation? This right here, the colors you see, the warmth you feel, the story of you playing in your head, why is any of it here? We've charted galaxies, built artificial minds, yet the simple light of our own awareness remains a profound mystery. And what if I told you that this you isn't a single state, but a spectrum of experiences you journey through every single day and night? We cycle through these states, often without a second thought, but philosophers, neuroscientists, and mystics have long pointed to a startling truth. Consciousness unfolds in distinct levels. The deeper you venture, the more your fundamental sense of reality begins to shift. So, let's begin at the absolute beginning, a state you visit every night but can never remember.
Level 1. The formless void. This is deep, dreamless sleep. It is the most common, yet the most alien territory of the mind. Each night you cross a border without a passport, leaving behind the world of objects and your own identity. In this state, the self dissolves. There is no time, no space, no narrative. You are, for a time, nowhere. Neuroscience identifies this as the domain of delta brain waves, slow, high-amplitude electrical rhythms pulsing at less than 4 cycles per second. This is the body's most critical restorative phase. The mind's noise cuts off so the physical self can mend. But subjectively, something far stranger occurs. Experience itself winks out. Awareness seems to fold back into its source. It's not like being in a dark room. It's the absence of anyone to be in any room at all. Ancient texts called this sushupti. Modern thinkers see it as ground zero, where the line between awareness and its absence blurs into nothingness. Yet a subtle paradox remains. How do you return each morning with a sense of continuous self? Something must have held watch in the silence.
Level 2. The inner theater. From that void, fragments begin to stir. This is the dream state. Without opening your eyes, you are transported. You inhabit worlds built entirely from the mind's raw material, where the laws of physics are optional and faces from memory blend freely. Scientifically, this is most active during REM sleep. The body is still, but the brain is alight. You are both the playwright and the lead actor in a private, immersive play. Philosophically, dreams have been seen as messages, mirrors of the unconscious, or rehearsals for reality. But their deepest lesson might be this: they prove consciousness is fundamentally creative. It builds a convincing reality from nothing but its own activity. You are the architect of worlds you forget you built. This raises a haunting question. If your mind can build such a believable fake reality at night, how can you be sure it isn't doing the same right now? Level 3. The shared dream. This is waking consciousness, the bright, bustling state we call reality. You feel the weight of your body, see the shared sky, and navigate a world that seems solid and agreed upon. This is the domain of logic, interaction, and consensus. But look closer, and this solidity starts to shimmer. Neuroscience reveals our perception is not a direct feed. The brain is a masterful editor. It prioritizes survival, not truth. So what we experience is just a useful user interface, not the full program. What we call reality is a stable, shared hallucination. It feels more persistent than a dream because it has more resistance, gravity, consequences, other people. But the mechanism is strikingly similar. So, if waking life is our most persistent dream, is there a way to wake up within it?
Level 4. The Silent Witness. Beyond the noise lies a layer few consistently access, pure awareness itself. This is transcendental consciousness. Here, the chatter of the mind falls silent, but you are not asleep. You are awake to awareness alone. It is often described as coming home, not to a place, but to the very ground of your being.
The Upanishads called this Turiya, the fourth state, beyond waking, dreaming, and sleeping.
In this silence, a fundamental insight arises. You are not your thoughts. You are the aware space in which thoughts happen. It's the difference between being a cloud and being the sky that holds it. Peace is not the absence of noise, but the discovery of the silence that contains it. But what happens when you carry this silence back into the noise of daily life? Level 5. The Unified Observer. This is cosmic consciousness. The stillness no longer ends when you open your eyes. It becomes a permanent backdrop. You can think, work, and feel while a part of you rests as an unmoved witness. Joy and sorrow arise, but they happen within a vast, calm awareness.
You see that the body, the personality, these are things you have, not things you are. The real you is the observer. Life continues with all its drama, but you are no longer lost in the plot. You have one foot in the story and one foot in the eternity that watches it. Level 6. Sacred Perception. The final shift is from observation to communion. The silent witness doesn't just watch the world, it feels a deep, loving connection to it. The tree outside your window is no longer a separate object. It vibrates with the same aliveness that you are. Perception itself becomes sacred. In this state, the boundary between self and world softens and may dissolve entirely. It is characterized by profound compassion and a sense of reverence for all existence. This is a direct experience of the interconnected intelligence of the universe. The individual soul recognizes itself as a unique expression of a cosmic whole. Our journey reveals a stunning possibility. Consciousness is not a static thing you possess, but a dynamic spectrum you're exploring. Each night, you touch the void. Each day, you navigate a world of your own creation. And in quiet moments, you might glimpse the timeless awareness behind it all. Your ordinary life is already a miraculous journey. The question isn't how to reach some distant peak, but to bring more curiosity to the ground you're already standing on. What if you approached your next moment, whether in joy, boredom, or even sleep, not as a passive passenger, but as an explorer of your own infinite depth? If this exploration of the mind resonated with you, please like this video. It genuinely helps our channel Talk Psychology grow. Tell us in the comments which level feels most familiar and which feels most mysterious to you.